Hi! So, did you know that there are certain types of food which you can eat that help to clean your teeth? Yeah, there are. And we usually recommend that they should be the last piece of food that you consume during a meal for the best result. So, think of it as the closest you can get to brushing your teeth after a meal. So, after the meal, you can go for dessert options like apples, celery sticks, popcorn, cucumbers, pears, lettuce, and all other forms of green leafy vegetables, and even cheese. And it will act like a natural toothbrush. And always try to make these type of foods the snack option that you have throughout the day. But please remember that these foods are not a replacement for brushing and flossing. So you still need good oral hygiene techniques regardless of the food that you're eating. Let me know if you found this helpful, and let me know if you have any questions. Please remember to subscribe to the VN Health app and have access to a doctor any time of the day and from any part of the country. Link to the VN Health is in my bio. Bye.